What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now we are in a John Deere 6R145 2023 model, and we are going to be going over how to set up your 3-point hitch. Now, some of you might be saying, I don't need any setup, I just lower it, use it as I need it. But if you are in those specific applications where you need to do such things as limit the height or set a consistent depth, or you need to change the load depth, all of those different things, we are going to show you how to set that up today. So first, let's go over where our rear hitch controller is, or our 3-point hitch controller. That's going to be over here on the right hand side. It is going to be this guy right here. So we are going to have our raise and lower switch right here. So we're going to push down, of course, to be able to lower, pull up to be able to raise that up. Then we're going to have this turn dial over here. This is going to be used whenever we are setting that depth. If we're wanting to set a consistent depth, that is also going to be managed through the screen here. Now, these buttons over here on the side, these two are going to be, one is actually for your auto steer feature, has nothing to do with your rear hitch. This is going to be your quick drop. Your 1 and 2 are not going to be set up to go with your rear hitch unless you set them up in operator settings. Then our set over here is going to be how we are going to set that lower gauge. So if we wanted to lower that down, have a specific setting for this to lower down to, that is the button that we're going to press to make sure that that is there. And we can also lock this out to where this cannot be used. So for instance, if I hit the lock here, it says hitch dampening engaged. We take that off, we've disengaged that. So now let's go into, if we wanted to change the depth that this is going to lower down to. If we go up here on the screen, we're in our settings here. We can get into these settings a few different ways. So we're going to go ahead and get out of this. If we wanted to get into those settings, we could either hit here on the screen, or we could go to this button here, press it over on the right hand side. That's going to bring up those settings. So first thing that we're going to be looking at is position. So with position, once we use our toggle switch here and we push that down, we're going to notice that our position is changing there on the screen. So that's how we're going to know where our depth is at, is right there on the screen. Then we're going to raise that back up. So that's if we're doing that manually. Now if we want to set a desired depth that we know for whatever implement we're using, we want to go to this same depth every time. So say we want to scroll down here to, let's say, 47%. So we want it to drop down 47% every time. Once we get that locked in, we're going to hit set. Then it says rear hitch depth set. Once we get that lower point set right there, now whenever we go and we lower down our hitch, we can watch that bar, make sure that goes down, and then we can slowly, incrementally get that lowered down to where it matches up right there at that spot that we have locked, that we know is the right depth that we want our machine. So right there, we have that spot set. We know exactly where we want to go, and then we can always change that. If we raise this back up, we can hit that set button again. That is going to take that rear depth hitch set all the way to the top. So that means you do not have one set up to where you know where you want that to drop at. Now, along with position, next what you're going to have is your raise rate. So you can go here onto the raise rate. If you want this to raise slower or raise faster, you can change that. Right over here, you can use your scroll dial to change that, and that's going to change on the screen. Or of course, you can change it here with your buttons, however you want to do that. Then of course, we're going to have our drop rate. So same thing, if you want this thing to lower down a lot faster than what it already is, you can change that rate of drop from right here on the screen, or you can limit how far up your 3-point will come. So in some situations, we only want the 3-point to come up to a certain amount. You can actually change that. Right here, we can drop that down by using the screen, or we can go over here once again and use that scroll dial, and that's going to lower that down. So you have complete customization here right at your fingertips of how you want to have this machine set up. right here on the screen in that rear hitch tab. Now you're also going to have such things as your load depth sensitivity. So depending on what implement you're pulling, if you have a 3-point implement on that you want it to pull a certain way when you're going through different loads, maybe you're going through a low spot or a high spot, you can turn this up, turn it down, and be able to adjust that load depth that it's going to allow that 3-point to sink to or raise to if you're going through some rough terrain. Now, if you're going through flat ground, this is something that you probably don't need to mess with. Just have your position set and go to work. But if you are in that rough terrain, the load depth here is something that you definitely want to check out. But all of your settings for your 3-point hitch are going to come through that screen. And then we can also use, of course, our hitch controller right here to the right hand side. And we can also use our buttons over here to the right to make all of those different adjustments on your 3-point hitch. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you are looking for more information like this, or just more information on John Deere equipment in general, make sure to go check out the rest of the channel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.